and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So today's video is about 7 cool tips and tricks in Windows 10. If you like a clean desktop and cluttered with icons, it's easy to temporarily hide all of them without actually removing them. Just by right-click anywhere in your desktop and in the pop-up menu navigate to View, Show Desktop Icons. This is simply a very quick and easy way to clear all open windows, except one. Do this by left-clicking on the bar, shake the mouse back and forth, and if you want to restore everything, just repeat what you did. Third tip is Character Map. You can use Character Map in Windows to insert special characters which are not available on your computer's keyboard. Fourth tip is the night light. On Windows 10, night light is a feature that reduces the blue light on your screen. You can enable it by going to Settings, then click on System, then Display. Turn it on, then click on Night Light Settings. Adjust the color at night slider to make the colors on your screen look cooler or warmer if you like. You'll see the colors change on your screen as you drag the slider, so you can immediately see what different colors will look like. Windows automatically sets up schedule for night light after you enable it. You can easily change your apps from light to dark mode. When making the switch, Windows apps including Mail, Calendar, and the Windows Store app go to black background, which can even save your battery power. With virtual desktops, Windows 10 lets you create multiple, separate desktops that each can display different open windows or apps. On the taskbar, click the Task View button. When you have more than one desktop, the Task View shows all your desktops on the top. You could also put all the items that relate to a specific task on one desktop, so that you can better focus on that task. Using the Windows key plus G command, you can pull up the new and improved game bar. This lets you switch your Windows PC into gaming mode, which pulls system's resources to the game, turns off notifications, and lets you record and broadcast your gaming. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe. And if you have something to say, leave a comment down there. Goodbye and see you in the next video.